So this is the unboxing video. The box was quite tight, as you expect from Anker. The manual and the warranty. The speaker. There is actually nothing in the box, as you can see. However, I just found out later that the USB cable is actually in one of the small black boxes inside. I just didn't notice it. Right, my first impression was that it was quite heavy. It's also very dark. As you can see, it's quite hard to see anything on there. It's not a minus, but it's just to bear in mind. Right, it's going to connect it to Bluetooth now. Picked it up straight away within seconds. Connection also quick. Right, let's pick a song. Now we're going to measure the frequency to see how the speaker handles bass. We're going to measure between 40 Hz to 120 Hz. So as you could see in here, the speaker picked up bass at about 50 Hz, which is quite low for a speaker of this size.